All right, so if you want to automate WhatsApp messages directly from HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot with WhatsApp automation and start messaging your contacts efficiently. Yeah, without any complicated setup. First, you'll need a WhatsApp integration. HubSpot doesn't connect natively, so pick a partner tool like Twilio, Wadi, or 360 Dialog. These platforms let HubSpot send WhatsApp messages through their API. Next, log into your chosen WhatsApp platform and generate API credentials. This usually includes an API key or token, which HubSpot will use to authenticate and send messages. Now, go back to HubSpot. Navigate to Settings, Integrations, API Key, or Connected Apps. Paste your WhatsApp API credentials here and test the connection. If everything's set up right, HubSpot will confirm the connection. Once connected, you can create workflows. Go to Automation, Workflows, then choose Start from Scratch or an existing template. Add a trigger like a form submission or deal stage change, and then select Send WhatsApp Message as the action. Customize your WhatsApp message with personalization tokens from HubSpot. For example, use the contact's first name or company name to make messages feel more personal. Personalization improves engagement a lot. Before going live, always test your workflow. Send a sample message to yourself or a test contact to check formatting, personalization, and delivery. Once satisfied, activate the workflow and let automation handle the rest. And that's it. That's how you connect HubSpot with WhatsApp automation and start sending personalized messages automatically. It saves time and keeps your contacts engaged without extra manual work.